Hello everyone, my name is Mireia. For this video, I will be sharing with you how I clean my ceramic stove top. What I used is Dawn dish soap. I also used baking soda and also peroxide. So I saw this hack on Pinterest. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try because I don't want to be spending more money and buying the cleaner that I always use. In the instructions manual, it does say only use the cleaner that they recommend, but I'm like, you know what, maybe they're just saying it because they don't want us to use other DIY at home products. So I decided to use this DIY, or what I saw on Pinterest. I put plenty of baking soda, peroxide, and Dawn dish soap. The Dawn dish soap, I bought it at the dollar store. This is one that I really like and I've used for other cleaning methods here at home. So I'm gonna distribute everything together, use a paper towel and mix everything and then clean it with that. Did it work? Well, let me be honest with you guys. Yes and no. It worked because it left the stove clean, right? It looks shiny clean, but it didn't remove that I'm not sure what it is. It's like the oil that gets stuck onto the stove. So with that, I had to go back and use the cleaner that I use all the time. And then I also had to use the blade, the little blade. I bought the blade as a kit along with the cleaner, and it also came like with a sponge to clean. So that's pretty much the only way that has worked for me to clean my stove. I have to use the blade, and don't worry because the blade is not going to scratch the stove. This is recommended in the instructions manual. It says to use the blade. So like I said, you can see that it's clean and shiny, but then again, it didn't remove that, I really don't know what it's called, but it's like that, the crust that's left on the stove. So for that, I had to use the cleaner. I'm also going to be sharing with you another day that I'm going to be cleaning my stove, another video, because I want you guys to see that I'm still using the same cleaner, and it's been years already that I've had my stove, and I want to keep my stove nice and clean, and I want it to look nice, and I want it to look like it's still new, or I just want to take care of it, and that's why I'm going to keep using the liquid cleaner that's recommended, because I just feel like it helps. It really does get rid of everything. For the top part, it's a different material, stainless steel, so I use a spray. Sometimes I use the wipes. There's some wipes to clean the stainless steel. And for the microwave, I also wanted to share that with you guys, so you will be seeing that a little bit later on in the video. That for the microwave, I'm going to be using a cleaner that's called Goof Off. It really gets rid of oil and all the grease. It just gets rid of everything. At first, I was a little bit iffy on using it because I didn't think that, it says it gets rid of grease and all that, but I thought that I was going to leave my stove looking like a bit greasy. I don't know why I thought that, but it really does leave it very clean and shiny, and it gets rid of all that grease or all that stuff that accumulates with the cooking. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm gonna let you guys go enjoy the rest of this video, but don't leave yet because the video is not finished yet. Stay tuned just to see the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. That way I can share more cleaning videos with you guys. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.